So what's in the next box? Let's have a look. So over here we have a battery box. So on the battery box we have a voltage meter, we have two USB ports, and we have a 12-volt socket, an on and off switch, input and output, and it's a complete kit, guys. So we have a 20 amp hour regulator that comes with it, and it's got a digital, it's got an input, output, and your battery levels that come with it. All the cabling that is needed is strapped to strap it down in your vehicle. Just some more components and more Anderson plugs. And with each battery box we also have available some solar blankets, 150 watt. So we're going to be doing some live testing very soon on this equipment. We managed to maintain a 1.7 to 2 amps during the duration of our testing. The blanket was not ideally placed, nor was there sun, only cloud cover. Something to keep into account when looking at a solar blanket is to ensure not all the panels are linked together, for in case you damage one unit, you are still able to use your solar blanket.